In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your notes quickly and easily. We'll walk through a very simple process, but I'll also explain what each step actually does so you feel confident using it on your own. Even though it's only a few clicks, understanding what's happening behind the scenes can save you time and help you avoid losing important information in the future. First, start by opening the app or platform where your notes are stored. Make sure you're on the screen where your notes are listed or visible. Take a moment to review the notes you want to export. This is a good time to make sure they're complete and organized the way you want, because whatever you export will reflect what you see here. Next, you'll need to select the notes you want to export. Depending on the app you're using, you might do this by tapping and holding on a note, clicking a small checkbox next to each note, or using a select option at the top of the screen. The key is to make sure each note you want to export is highlighted or marked as selected. If you only want to export a single note, just select that one. If you're exporting multiple notes at once, double check that all the correct ones are chosen and that you haven't accidentally included anything you don't need. Once your notes are selected, look for the three dots icon on your screen. This is usually found at the top right corner next to the note title or the main toolbar. Those three dots typically represent a More Options or Settings menu. Go ahead and click on the three dots. When you do, a small menu will appear with several actions you can take. From that menu, find and click on the option labeled Export. This is the command that tells the app to package your selected notes into a file or format that can be saved, shared, or opened somewhere else. Depending on your app, you might be asked to choose a file type, like PDF, text, or a specific notes format. You may also be prompted to pick a location such as your device storage, a downloads folder, or a cloud service. Choose the format and location that best fit how you plan to use the notes later. After confirming, wait a moment while the export completes. When it's done, your notes are now safely saved outside